Scottsdale is joining the list of cities requiring masks in public. That begins tomorrow in Scottsdale. And despite the spike in cases, bars and crowded nightclubs will remain open with some changes. Whitney Clark reports tonight from Old Town Scottsdale.
Well, the big concern here, of course, is that increase in COVID-19 cases here in Arizona. Just a few hours ago, the city of Scottsdale says the mayor has issued an emergency proclamation that will require people to cover their noses and mouths in most public areas. Now, there are some exceptions, including for kids under 6 or if you're outside and physically distancing. The entire list is up on azfamily.com. Now, it goes into effect tomorrow, Friday night at 5 p.m. It means face coverings will be required in places in the city like restaurants and grocery stores. In a statement, Mayor Jim Lane says we can't ignore the numbers, and wearing a mask is a simple step recommended by health experts. They are also encouraging places that sell alcohol to limit occupancy to 50% to allow for better social distancing. Now, according to the city, people will be given an opportunity to comply before any enforcement is taken. Continued failure to comply with an emergency proclamation is a Class 1 misdemeanor. I asked a lawyer for his takeaways from the proclamation.
There's definitely worry about nightclubs. And so people are going to have to wear masks in nightclubs, and nightclubs are recommended to have lower capacity. That obviously is a concern of the mayor. The second thing that is surprising is this includes people in a gymnasium. Now, we know gyms are very dangerous, and it's probably going to be helpful, but there's a lot of people who go to those gyms who are not going to like this.
Some reaction tonight from the community. The president of the Scottsdale Area Chamber of Commerce, which represents more than 1,000 businesses, fully supports this, while one city council member we talked to doesn't agree and thinks education and best practices is a better way of handling this.
The top priority, the number one priority, is public health and safety. So seeing that the municipality, the city of Scottsdale, Mayor Lane, and the council believe this is the right pathway, the business community is going to follow suit.
If you want to wear a mask, wear a mask. If you don't, don't. But respect each other. You know, if you ask me to wear a mask around you, I will do that because I respect your opinion.
We have reached out to a number of the groups that manage the nightclubs here in the entertainment district in Scottsdale. We did hear from the Riot Hospitality Group, which told us in a statement that they have already put measures in place to adopt to these new guidelines. In Scottsdale, for Arizona's Family, I'm Whitney Clark.